So then we have the display. So if I go into the display, now we've been looking at it basically in years. So we could look at it, say, in months versus the years. Now, of course, there's only 1 month. Let's change it. Let's go from 01/01/24 to 12/31, and that's going to give us all of our months. Now, this is what I've been looking at, the classic view, because that's been the default, so they're still kind of testing this out. So we've been doing this. If I switch this back to the classic view, notice what we have here. You've got your custom. Now you have your date range up top, and then this was the display column, where we've been switching it to years, which is going to give us the two columns that we were looking at before for 2024 and 2025. If I switch to the modern view, then that's in this display area. So now we have the years drop down here. Let's go back to the custom. Let's go up top to the custom date so we can mirror the similar type of thing, 01/01/24, and then we went to 12/01/01/24 to 12/31/25. And so here's the 2 years. And then, so if I wanted to see it in days, that of course is not typically what we do, because that's going to be a very long report as it puts the days atop the top column. Months is fairly common, although that would usually happen if you're going to be looking at 1 quarter date range and then possibly look at it the months in that quarter, or for an entire year. Quarters, which is going to break it out into 3 months time period: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and so on. And then we have weeks that we can break it out within. And then we have the years that we've been using. And so we have the 2-year time frame, and it's breaking it out between the 2 year. We can also break it out by product and service. A little bit, well, a lot more unusual to do, but possibly something that might be useful. This is something that you possibly do more likely on a profit and loss report, breaking out the income statement by the things that you're selling. And then we can break it out by vendor, which again is something that you possibly do more on the income statement, so that you can break out the income statement expense accounts by who you bought them from. So typically we're going to be up here in the date, and then we have the customers. So you could break it out by customer as well, which once again is more likely something that you would do on the profit and loss report, breaking out columns of your income statement, broken out, say, by who you got the revenue from, for example. Let's bring it back to, let's just say, years. And so there we have that. All right, closing that back out.